Hey there, folks. Today we're diving into the world of Medicare enrollment, a topic that can be a real headache for many. But fear not, because I've got some exclusive insider tips to share that will make this process a whole lot easier for you. I'm about to share the Medicare enrollment secrets that you don't know about. First things first, let's talk about the importance of Medicare enrollment. Making informed decisions about your healthcare coverage is crucial for your overall well-being. It's not just about signing up for a plan, it's about choosing the right plan that fits your needs and budget. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the complex and ever-changing landscape of Medicare options, rules, and enrollment periods. It can be like navigating a maze for many individuals, with different parts of Medicare, various eligibility criteria, and key dates to keep track of. No wonder it can feel overwhelming. There are specific enrollment periods for Medicare Parts A, B, C, and D, each with its own set of rules and coverage options. We'll discuss who is eligible for each part, important dates to remember, and the differences in coverage between them. Understanding these details is essential for making informed choices. Now, here's the exciting part: the Medicare enrollment secrets you need to know. We're talking about strategies to maximize your coverage, potential cost savings, comparing different plans to find the best fit for you, and most importantly, how to avoid common pitfalls that could cost you in the long run. Stay tuned for these game-changing insights. Let's talk about Medicare eligibility. Did you know that you can enroll in Medicare if you're 65 or older? Or if you're under 65 and on disability for 24 consecutive months? Understanding your eligibility can help you plan ahead and avoid any gaps in coverage. The initial enrollment period, or IEP, is a 7-month window that starts 3 months before you turn 65, includes your birthday month, and ends 3 months after. Missing this period can lead to late enrollment penalties, so mark your calendars. There's also the General Enrollment Period, or GEP, from January 1st to March 31st each year for those who missed their initial enrollment period. Coverage will begin on July 1st of the same year, but, be aware of potential late enrollment penalties. For those who are still working and have health coverage through an employer, there's a Special Enrollment Period, SEP, that allows you to sign up for Medicare without penalties after your employment or coverage ends. This period lasts for 2 months following the end of your employment or health coverage, whichever comes first. Another key secret is understanding the different parts of Medicare. Medicare Part A covers hospital insurance, including inpatient hospital stays, skilled nursing facility care, hospice, and some home health care. Part B covers medical insurance, such as doctor visits, outpatient care, preventive services, and some home health care. Part C, also known as Medicare Advantage, offers an alternative way to receive your benefits by combining hospitalization, medical, prescription coverage, and sometimes additional benefits like dental, vision, hearing, and fitness programs like Silver Sneakers. These plans are sold by private insurance companies and must cover at least what original Medicare Parts A and B covers, but often include extra benefits. Part D covers prescription drugs. It's important to enroll in a Part D plan when you first become eligible, even if you don't take many medications now, to avoid future late enrollment penalties. Medigap policies, also called supplement plans, are another option that can help cover the 20% that Medicare doesn't, like co-payments, co-insurance, and deductibles. These policies are sold by private companies and can provide additional financial protection. Medigap policies are standardized and labeled A through N, with each plan offering a different level of coverage. It's important to compare these plans based on your healthcare needs and budget. The main supplement options are Plan F, Plan G, and Plan N. Supplement Plan F is still available for all companies, but only to those who aged into Medicare before the year 2020 will have access. With Medigap policies, you must pay separately for medical and prescription drug coverage. Prescription drug coverage is required to avoid the Part D penalty, so be sure to enroll in a Part D plan as well. Dental and vision coverage are optional and can be added through separate policies. Many people are unaware that you can compare plans online at Medicare.gov. This tool is incredibly useful for finding a plan that fits your specific needs and budget. By entering your medications and pharmacy preferences, you can get a detailed comparison of Part D and Medicare Advantage plans available in your area. Take advantage of this resource to make an informed decision and ensure you're getting the best coverage for your situation. Finally, always review your Medicare options annually. Your health needs can change, and so can Medicare plans. During the annual enrollment period, which runs from October 15th to December 7th, you can make changes to your Medicare coverage, which will take effect on January 1st of the following year. Something many people don't know is you can enroll into as many plans as you wish, but only the last plan will be accepted by Medicare unless you enrolled into 2 different plans on the same day. In this case, the first plan would take effect. These rules only apply to Medicare Advantage plans and prescription drug plans. The annual enrollment period is a critical time to evaluate your current plan and make any necessary adjustments to ensure you continue to have the best coverage for your needs. Reviewing your coverage annually allows you to take advantage of new plan offerings and benefits that may better suit your needs. It also helps you stay informed about any changes in costs or coverage that could impact your healthcare expenses. In summary, enrolling in Medicare doesn't have to be a daunting task. By staying proactive and well-informed, you can make the process smoother and ensure you're getting the most out of your healthcare coverage. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to Medicare enrollment. Knowing your eligibility, understanding the enrollment periods, and comparing different plans can ensure you get the coverage you deserve. Additionally, it's important to stay updated on any changes to Medicare regulations and policies, as these can affect your coverage options and costs. Keeping informed through reliable sources and consulting with a licensed health agent can help provide valuable insights and help you navigate the complexities of Medicare. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more essential Medicare tips. I hope these Medicare enrollment secrets help you on your healthcare journey. Share your Medicare enrollment experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you or by contacting me directly. See you in the next video.